What's going on, Will? Everybody, this is Simon.
Hey, how's it going?
Simon has just bought this. I am currently underneath the Evo. Just wanted to show you guys this so I can, obviously this is a piston, it's not going to go anywhere no matter how hard I move it. And then we've got cylinder number 1 over here. That's your rod knock right there.
Oh, I don't like that sound.
No, that's not good.
Please, come into my house.
What have we got in here?
We've got the Mitsubishi Evolution IV.
Look at that.
The beautiful car that this is, even though it's not running right now. But very soon. Whoa. Very soon we will have her up and running. She's a bit bare at the moment.
So, like previously shown in those clips, this has rod knock. So we have pulled a whole bunch of stuff off of this. It's all kind of just on the floor over here. A whole bunch of random stuff. So we're going to take a bunch of this stuff. We've got a replacement engine for it and a whole bunch of new parts. We're going to be unboxing some of those today. So we got oil pans off there. We found a knocking. We also found, this is the turbo right here. You can have a look at this. That does not look too good.
That's why we got a bigger one.
Yep. It doesn't have too much play, but it's just shredded up. Look at the fins on that. They're all shredded. So this turbo is Dunsky. It is no good. Then we've got a radiator here that is also no good. And there's a whole bunch of other, these oil coolers are probably toast. So I got some new ones. Yeah. Got this cheeky little red line blow-off valve that should still work.
Oh, I mean, I hope so.
Make some noises. So we'll maybe try and run that again, but so we've got to get this engine out eventually, but we're going to start out by assembling the new engine that we have. So we have to drive back to my place with a whole bunch of parts and go oversee the new engine.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh yeah, yep. Oh, mate, look at that beauty. Wow. Wow, I actually pulled my phone out because I thought this thing was pretty cool. I mean,
Super American, are they?
no, quite the opposite. Very Aussie. Yeah, really Aussie. Yeah, they don't sell. They used to sell the El Camino in America, but they stopped selling that forever ago. Oh, but mate, oh, how about this, eh?
Don't worry about that. That wasn't me.
Love the tape hanging down as well.
Yeah, I know, right?
Just floating.
Bit of drift tape. Right.
Yeah, mate. Got some sneaky parts back there. We're gonna just grab a couple of bolts from your local. Yeah. That's a surprise. What have you got? What have you got?
You got a bit of flex. Oh, you're a good girl. Hey, you're a good girl.
All right, Simon, where are we now, mate?
We're at yours. I've just transported the. Oh, there goes the gate. Sorry about that. So just transport the new stuff over here where the engine is.
Yep.
From there, we're just going to do a nice unboxing.
I'll show you guys all this shiny
so
part
excited.
inside. What have you got there, Will?
I got a box cutter.
That's a
That's a box cutter. Right?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, all that
But
stuff.
that's not what we're looking
Well,
at.
show me that box
this
cutter action. Oof, look at that.
That's totally legal.
Yeah.
Stop.
Stop. Yeah, the classic.
Classic New Zealand.
What is that? The property press.
Yeah.
Man, he really wrapped it up good, didn't he? Oh, we got another layer. Oh, I think this is our. Let's see.
What is going on here?
Gotta keep that safe, dude.
Oh. So this is our wastegate adapter. So the stock Evo Turbo has. Wow, that's crazy.
That's nice.
That is really cool. So the stock wastegate is on the Evo is an internal wastegate. So to run an external wastegate, you either need to get a nice set of headers, or you need to get this T3 flange adapter. So that is gonna run beautifully on our wastegate.
This is the Evo 9 ECU that we're going to chuck in there.
Yeah, so the Evo 4 and below ECUs are not mappable, but the Evo 9 ECU is
Always cut towards you.
always, yeah.
Safety tips as well.
There it
There
is.
she is. Factory computer, man, that looks real fancy. What does it say? Mitsubishi Electric Corp.
Japan.
This is pretty neat.
That's nice.
Look at that.
I like that.
Alright, so hopefully that'll do the trick.
Oh. This was if I remember correctly, that's the first package that came, apart from the ECU.
Oh yeah, the ECU came in like a day. Shout out to that random guy on trade.
I wonder what that is.
Oh, what could this possibly...
Oh,
Yeah,
Look at that.
Look at that.
Comes with its own casing as well.
Oh my gosh.
That's a big waistcoat.
Yo, look at that. Let me see that brand on the top
Yeah.
there. Made in USA. I don't know, how do you say that? Teal? Somebody tell me.
I think it's teal.
Look at that. That's gorgeous.
Teal sport.
Here's the valve right there.
Yeah. Bigger box now.
Much bigger box.
We're upgrading.
Two of these working at the same time, I guess.
What is going on here? These boxes are more confusing than you think. Oh no, this is weird.
Here we go. Go on. Slide it up on out. Ooh. Ooh.
What is this?
Dang, that color's cool. Get
Oh, look at that.
that- Yo. So this is a Scales Performance. That's a 14-row oil cooler. We wanted to get some new oil coolers because the old ones were real old. We got another one as well.
Pretty cool. We got two, one on either side.
Man, I gotta say that blue is a really nice touch.
It is.
Look at
That's
that.
going to be a really nice colour.
That'll look really cool. Beautiful.
Just got to get all that polystyrene out of it.
Yeah.
There are boxes. Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Whoa.
That's it.
Within
Boxes.
We ordered boxes.
I love boxes, dude.
Thanks for watching the video.
Yeah. Subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff.
Oh, yeah, it's tape on there.
Some sneaky little. Alright, let's see what we got in this box. Skulls, huh?
Ooh.
What do we have here?
Some pipes. Fittings.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Ooh, that's clean.
Oh, shiny.
Whatever
Got
that is.
that is an intercooler bracket. Look at that.
Nice.
More
Alright.
pipes in there.
More pipes. Couplers. Look at that. I'll go on. They're super light.
Really light.
Oh, well, they are.
Look at the shine on that. Here's the exciting box.
Those are cool.
Yeah, these all look mean. So they've got a couple of different size couplers, which is good because, well, you'll see.
That's good. Yeah.
Ooh.
What's this?
Oh, yeah, boy.
Big ol' well-oiled engine.
Oh, it's a thick boy! Look at that!
Oh, she thick!
Thick boy!
There you go.
Brand new
Skulls.
intercooler, look at that. Thank you very much, Skulls.
Shout out to them boys.
That is
Super,
awesome.
super helpful
They
people.
were, yeah. Look at that. Oh man, this thing looks so mean.
It's got nice welders.
Yeah, yeah. This is the most exciting part for me, is just how, look how thick that thing. Oh, I should cover this up.
We can just try this.
I'll blur it.
Alright, the moment of truth. See what size Honda engine we got.
Says Honda engine we got.
Wow.
Okay. It's a bit bigger than that.
Oh, alright.
No way. Oh. Yeah, pull that cap off for me. Ooh, look at that. Get a little. Oh, feel it, man. Oh, that feels amazing. Look at that. Go on, get the rest of it out of the bag. Dude, that's quite. Thumbnail right there.
It's a big toe.
Yeah. Dude, that's amazing. Look at that. Specific stuff. So Skulls is a New Zealand company that does performance goodies for us Kiwis. They sell them at pretty good prices, which is awesome. So it's really cool that we were able to do this. But mate, so this is a T3 T4 turbo. I'm not sure the exact specs on it. It says it's a 5036. It's a brand new.
I think I know where that's going.
It's a brand new turbo. It's all. Wow, it looks super nice. It's really heavy.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. Mate, fancy stuff.
More power, baby.
More power, baby.
More power, baby.
Holly, what do you think of more power, baby?
Nah, doesn't care.
Yeah, she's just gonna.
Like,
So why are we buying all this stuff, Simon?
it's for my Mitsubishi Evolution IV.
Which is blown up.
Yeah.
Simon drives a Lancer.
It's an Eva. It's way better than
It's a Lancer.
It's a Lancer.
He drives a Lancer.
You got a nice Lancer, bro.
I do. Thank you.
So this big Turbski's going on the Lancer soon. We're gonna start putting stuff together. Why don't we go downstairs and have a quick peek at that engine?
Yes, sir.
All right, boys.
Hello.
Yeah.
Why are we down here again? Just casually walking around with the new Turbski.
I can't put
Post
it.
thumbnail
I
picture.
can't put it down.
No, I mean.
It's so nice.
You can't put it down. How's it gonna get on the car?
I'll hold it.
Oh.
Hold it on
yeah,
there.
that'll make sense.
Yeah, just hold it on there.
Yeah.
I'm sure someone's done
Actually,
it.
it's gonna come through the through the hood, and I'll hold
Yeah.
on to it while it's spinning.
Yeah, just put a hole in the steering
Yeah.
in the windshield and
Yeah.
straight through.
Slam it through. Easy.
Well, this is an Evo 8 engine that we found. Also found this new exhaust flange. It doesn't come stock with a T3 flange, but so I got a stainless T3 flange for it. Got some timing stuff to do for it as well. I've got this unbolted. The head is looking really nice, which is cool. Everything in there looks really good. So we're gonna bolt a mixture of old parts and new parts. Be really careful. Old parts and new parts back on. Some of the old parts here. Might have to do something about this water pump. Intake, that kind of thing. And then we've got all these goodies to bolt up. So we're gonna get this onto that engine stand and then start bolting up that turbo.